Jai Dwarkadish, Jai Jagannath, Jai Shri Ram. Today is Madhvanavami. We celebrated as the occasion of Acharya Madhva or Madhvacharya leaving to Badri. There is no evidence of him leaving to earth as others do. He walked away into Badri. That's all. So this day is marked as Madhvanavami. So a few simple stories related to him. Madhvacharya is the one who created or established the Udupi temple. So if you have visited Udupi and you have seen Udupi Krishna, the Krishna he got. How did he get it? It's an interesting story. One day when Madhvacharya is on the seashore in Udupi, he sees a ship caught in storm. Because he is a Vayu Amsha, he uses his Melanga Vastram and then he just does like this and the ship comes to the shore. As a mark of gratitude, the sailors in the ship offered him anything in the ship, but he chooses to take a big lump of clay, which today we call as Gopi Chandana. He says, I want that. And then he brings it and it breaks it into two and the Krishna idol is revealed. And he washes it in the Madhu Sarovara, the pond just outside the Udupi Krishna temple, and then he establishes the temple. So this is a simple story that I am letting you know on this occasion of Madhvanavami. So today's song I am going to sing is Bhali Bhali Re Enna Sukha. It's a very pleasant song. Bhali Bhali Re Enna Sukha Imbode Sukha Bhali Bhali Re Enna Sukha Imbode Sukha Halakala Kide Irali Kaveri Ranga Bhali Bhali Re Enna Sukha Imbode Sukha Tande Neene Krishna Tai Indira Devi Mandajasanu Yanage Hiriyannanu Indumati Sri Saraswati Devi Atigeyu